Everything was delivered with horse and buggy. So
even you.
I say, Betty, just because you're the only afterbirth that ever lived, don't.
Even at that, I look better than you.
That wasn't very nice.
Anyways, my father, the horse come down. They let their. I gotta say, I like the way horse balls there. And there was this Frenchman there. And this Frenchman, his name was Jacques, and he'd take a shovel, his broom, he'd put them on the shovel and dumped them in their round barrel like a garbage can on wheels. Next day, Dad, I'd go out, and I was living in morning papers, I'd follow my father up the street, same thing. Hi Jacques, how are you doing? Still picking up shit? Oh yeah, he says, yeah, I dumped them in the thing. That's good. Dad gave him a couple of cigarettes. The third day, I couldn't believe what happened. Hi Jacques. Says my father, you're still picking up shit? He says, yeah, jump in. I love it.